You got aggro?
Yeah, we do. There's a bunch of zombies here in the trees.
Alright. Oh, you need a kick out war, I tastes so good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, vehicle's behind us. Vehicle's behind us. Smoke.
Yeah, I see all its.
There it is. It's moving. Shoot it.
I don't know where it's at.
It's going down the hill right now.
Shoot it. I don't want
Okay.
to as well.
We got zombies near us too.
I'll take a shot at zombie. Oh, you blew up the car. Yeah, it blew up, dude. There's zombies aggroing too. The people are still alive, guys. The people are still alive, I think. Yeah, there's still a guy there, I think.
Yeah. Shit. Got a zombie behind me.
I don't know if they're dead or not.
I'm bandaging. Cover me.
Yeah, I see a dead body. He has a camo on, so he looks pretty geared. You wanna go check it out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Because we have, what, 9 minutes to restart, so we want to get to that body before. I don't know if he was alone or what. When it blew up, the zombie ran to it, so there could be a guy hiding behind it, but then it unaggroed, so he may have died. Though,
I know, I didn't hit it.
You probably got a lucky hit on the engine block, dude. No. Or yeah, lithium just said it blew up and like.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, can I have the 249 saw? I don't like this PSO. Actually, you should give the Alice pack to him then because
yeah,
the Alice pack is on his body. I'm taking the saw. I like it way more.